The lights are bright, cameras hum. Every voice is fighting to be heard. Then he walks in. He does not speak. One spray of vocal hits the air. The noise folds into order. Some scents beg for attention. This one bends it. Agent sent here. Today we're diving into J Fragrances, part of the Junaid Jamshed brand from Pakistan. They mix Eastern vibes with modern scents at prices everyone can love. Today's scent is VocalByJ Fragrances, a classified blend engineered for men who weaponize calm. Hit like, subscribe, and follow Agent Scent. The next mission might be the scent that defines your game. Now, let's get into it. The opening in the first contact is sharp and precise. Bergamot ignites beside black pepper, clean and metallic. It smells like control dressed in clarity. The energy is high, yet disciplined. Citrus flashes across the air like light off steel, followed by warmth that feels intentional. Then the amber appears, wrapping the edges in restraint. You sense confidence shifting from noise to rhythm. The heat is present but contained. The heart, minutes later, the scent begins to settle. Suede and Tonka move forward with quiet authority. There is no sweetness, only composure. It feels like a microphone left live in an empty room, humming with potential. Each breath is low-voltage seduction. Vocal does not sell performance. It sells presence. You stand closer to understand it. That is the entire strategy. The dry down. The cedar and vetiver replace the warmth with a dry precision. The texture becomes matte, smooth, deliberate. Projection stays close to skin, exactly where influence works best. This stage smells like confidence that has seen every question before it is asked. Nothing loud, nothing accidental. It is authority reduced to its cleanest form. Performance. Projection is measured about a 1 meter reach. Longevity. 8 hours of steady signal. Sillage. Controlled and continuous. Vocal is not for nightlife or applause. It is designed for presence under pressure. Boardrooms, cameras, conversations that decide outcomes. The verdict? VocalByJ Fragrances converts celebrity energy into discipline. It is charisma without noise and power without aggression. Every note reads as a code for control. The man who wears it does not seek attention. Attention seeks him. Agent Scent, your nose, my mission. Dangerously fragrant.